Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to get unbanned from OmeTV. Firstly, OmeTV bans your IP address, not your device. A VPN assigns you a new IP address, which gets you around the ban. Just download a reputable VPN such as ExpressVPN, NordVPN or ProtonVPN. Launch the VPN app and connect to a different country or region. Verify you're using a new IP address by checking it at whatsmyipaddress.com. Now, OmeTV may track cookies, cache or other browsing data. Just clear your browsing data on your browser, then create a new account. Use a different email address and a new username and avoid using the same profile photo or personal details. Now open OmeTV via browser or app, ensure you're connected to the VPN and sign in with your new account and start using the platform. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.